Have you ever wondered about the unique flavor that's taking over international cuisine? Today, we're diving deep into yuzu, a small citrus fruit with a big taste. Yuzu is a small, bumpy yellow citrus fruit native to East Asia and has been cultivated mainly in countries like Japan. It's similar in size to a lime but with the texture of a lemon. Yuzu has a powerful aroma, giving off a zesty, honeysuckle-like fragrance when ripe. This unique scent is due to its complex mix of citrus compounds. In terms of taste, yuzu is very sour and has a flavor profile that mixes tartness like lemon with bitterness akin to grapefruit and the sweetness of orange. Yuzu's distinctive floral and herbal notes make it stand out in Asian cuisine, especially Japanese cooking. It adds depth to dishes like miso soup and ponzu sauce. Yuzu is now gaining international popularity and can be found in various forms, from fresh fruit to bottled beverages in countries like New Zealand, Australia, Spain, Italy, and France. In conclusion, yuzu is a unique citrus with a bold flavor profile that blends tartness, bitterness, sweetness, floral notes, and distinct herbal nuances. Its popularity continues to grow globally. So there you have it. Yuzu is more than just a citrus fruit. It's a flavor revolution. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.